This is Blessed Be Your Name by Matt Redman. He does such a beautiful job with this song. It's in the key of C. Make sure to also click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. As well as if you don't need the tutorial portion of this video, I also have the click ahead link below that you can check out as well and just play along with me at the end. Okay, so this is in the key of C. So we have three main chords, C, F, G, and then we have an A minor chord. Pretty simple. So let's just look at a C chord, C, E, G. Okay, then we have a G chord, G, B, D, A minor, A, C, E, and then we have an F, F, A, C. Okay, so review, these are the chords that you're gonna see, the chord progression of the verse. C chord, G chord, A minor, and F. Okay, so when our right hand is playing chords, our left hand's just gonna camp out here with thumb on C, line up all the fingers. We're gonna do a C note with a C chord, G note with G chord, A minor with A single note over here, and F. See how those line up pretty easy? Okay, so the rhythm, this is a 4/4 time signature, so we're gonna go like this. Let's just walk through the verse and I'll show you how simple it is. Blessed be your name in the land that is plentiful, where your streams of abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Okay, watch that rhythm. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Blessed be your name. Verse 2 is the same thing. Together, right, rhythm. For the most part, that pretty well can get you through most of the song if you just do that rhythm. Okay, verse 2, same thing. Blessed be your name when I'm found in the desert place. Though I walk through the wilderness, blessed be your name. Pre-chorus just starts out with C. Actually, this whole song, C, G, A minor, F. So once you memorize that, you've known the whole song. There's no sneaky chords here. Okay, so the pre-chorus goes, every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. C, G, A minor, and F. Blessed be the, and then we're doing the same chords again. Name of the Lord, G. Blessed be your name, A minor, F. Blessed be the C of the G, blessed be your glorious name. There we kind of just step down from the glorious name, A minor, G, F, okay? All right, verse 3 just follows suit, verse 4, and then the bridge, C, G, A minor, F, again, not real rocket science here. You give and take away, C, G. You give and take away. My heart will choose to say, Lord, blessed be your name. All right, this is probably the most simple video I have recorded to date. So I'm pretty excited to jump right into it. You guys can belt your hearts out again with me and have a lot of fun with this one. Top to bottom, here we go. Blessed be your name in the land that is plentiful, where your streams of abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name when I'm found in that desert place. Though I walk through the wilderness, blessed be your name. Every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. When the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will say, blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. Blessed be your name when the sun's shining down on me, when the world's all as it should be. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name on the road marked with suffering, though there's pain in the offering. Blessed be your name. Every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. When the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will say, blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. You give and take away. You give and take away. My heart will choose to say, Lord, blessed be your name. You give and take away. You give and take away. My heart will choose to say, Lord, blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glory.